Hi guys, I am Casey and welcome to my new video. In this video I will share the full front-end source code of the website. This website is built using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. I promise to provide the download link at the end of the video, so please stay tuned until then. I am a full stack software developer with 4 years of experience and source code is fully editable. You can modify it and add backend functionality in the future. We will also be sharing different front-end and backend tutorials soon, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, let's check out the website demo. This is the multi-page website with the following pages: about us, features, team, services, product, contacts, like that. And this is the home page. At the top of the home page there is headers with our basic information bar, like that, and nav bar. Here this is the nav bar, and left side of the page is one logo, like that, and center of the header is nav bar, and right side has a login button, and below that there is a carousel with some important information, and below the home page here is the one about our section. Here is some about content about the organization, and below down the services of the organization, like that: app development, web development, software development, like here. And below the what we offers is the reason of the why choose the those organization. And below down the here counter, here is the different project and other count effect. And below the organization product, like that, mobile app, like here. And another section is contact section, like here, contact information, form, and beautiful footers here. And this website is fully responsive. Yeah, this website is fully responsive. Yeah, this website is fully responsive and animated website. Here is the another section. Another section is about our section. This section is describe of the organization and organization background, like mission, vision, and this the fully responsive, like that, in mobile view. And this is the another page is footer page, features page. Features page has what features will provide this organization. And another page is team page. Here is some organization's team, like that. Here images are not shown, but like social media icons. And another page is services page. Here is different services about the organization, like that. Like, yeah, this is the awesome effect. And product page. Product page is some product list, like pagination. And another page is contact page. Here the contact locations and different contact information, and one form. And this is the login page is fully responsive here, like that. And this is the register page. Here is register page. This is the form register, like, yeah, this is the fully responsive. You can go and download those link, and those video links are those project links are go to the this channel page, open it, and go to the videos tab, and go down below, and this is the install DeepSeek video link. Open it, and in this video description here is the another assist folder, like here. Okay, and please those link. Yeah, This project file is here. Okay, yeah, this project file is here, and download it and open this file. Yeah, here is the only file, and please check out it. Thank you for watching this video.